I just picked up the first part of my small form factor PC build, the MSI MPG B760i Edge ITX motherboard, which supports up to Intel's 14th Gen CPUs. Let me walk you through a few key features. First, it's got an extended heatsink that helps with better heat dissipation. It also supports DDR5 memory for faster performance. There's an M2 shield paired with a chipset heatsink. That means your SSDs stay cool and prevent throttling. And there is even an M2 slot on the back of the board, which is a nice touch. The only thing is, I'm still torn on which mini ITX case to go with, and I've still got a few more parts to figure out. So yeah, this build's gonna take a bit of time.